Gotta do a cold start on the Camaro. Gotta. But yeah, the damage is, I'm gonna show you the damage now. So it's just scratching dents, but you could see the dents though. You know, that's a pretty well pronounced dent, about 2.5 or 3 inches right there. And this is where it gets really effed. You know, you got a nice big one at the top there from this. That's a big dent too. Yeah, you could see it. If I angle it a certain way, you could see that that's like a 4.5 inch dent. So that's the second damage that I could locate so far. And this is the third one. Pretty big scar. It's not too deep, but you know, still gonna be a lot of work. And this one dents it all the way across from here to there. That's like a 7, yeah, around a 7 inches dent right there. So I got like paint chip repair and dents to pull out. So that's it so far. And it's been undercover for the past. So I'm gonna give it a cold remote start. Here we go. Go over here to hear the sound more. You know, I'm gonna go right over. You could hear the full clip. All right, here we go. Cold remote start. Bam, bam. Whoa! Whoa! All right, so yeah, you see the top, it's pretty fucked up, but yeah, I'm gonna get that sorted out. I'll probably take it to the shop or repair it myself, you know, but yeah, the beast is still alive. Hibernation is over. No. And the ground is all wet, but good thing I have my WeatherTech mats. As you see, WeatherTech, even though it doesn't have snow tires, it's still gotta have a WeatherTech. So yeah, your shit, you're gonna take care of it, ain't it so? Yeah. So yeah, I'm inside now. I still gotta press start to really start it up. V8 badness, my own profile, so she knows it's me and nobody else. Sign me in or log me in or whatever. And I'm just gonna, I should try to, no I can't because the back wheels are still tied. So only thing I could do is kind of just give it a few rev. I'm gonna go in a snow and ice mood. So yeah, I'm gonna be in snow and ice mood, rev it in snow and ice mood. I could wind down the window. Yeah. Let some fresh air get inside here. Oh man. I'm lucky my carelessness almost cost me a fucking car. A new windshield I just put in over the fall, not even the summer, over the fall. Brand new windshield. So I'd have to replace that, you know, my sunroof and everything. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it some what do you call it? Snow on ice mode. So here we go. Snow on ice mode. Yeah, as you know, it's a Camaro. When you rev it, red line, unless it's in drive, you can only rev it up to like 4,000. You know, sometimes it cut out at 3. But even at 4,000 RPM, it's still louder than everything else out there. Unless you're driving like a Mustang, you know, or like a Ferrari, or, you know, a Lamborghini or something. But like everything else, like you're gonna come with, this will kill you in decibels. No Mercedes ain't built for sound. No BMW, no Subaru, none of them crap, you know. But yeah, that's in Snow on Ice mode. Let's, no, that's track ice. Snow on Ice. It wasn't Snow on Ice. If you want to hear it again, you see it didn't change. So that's Snow on Ice. After Snow on Ice, I'm gonna put it in touring. So touring is like comfort mood, you know. So touring mood, T. So that's like comfort mood. This is how it sounds in comfort mood. And this is the control, so I could close or open the valve. Right now in touring, it's still closed. In Snow on Ice and touring mood, the valve is closed. So this is another closed valve. Yeah, and for those who doesn't know, this is a 2SS Camaro. So it's a V8 Camaro, as it says V8. You could see it right there for your own self. V8, it's big and bold. V8 Camaro, 6.2 liter V8, naturally aspirated. What does that mean? It means that I do not have any forced induction, meaning I do not have any turbocharge, any supercharge, any procharge, any nitros, or any other form of force compression induction system. Naturally aspirated. So everything my car does, everything it sounds like, everything it passes on the street, it is doing so with its natural ability, meaning the engine alone and its transmission is doing all that. So it's making 455 horsepower and 455 newton meter torque naturally. If I should force induct air with like a supercharger or a procharger kicking 100 to 150 horsepower, I would automatically be making 650 or 550 depending on the tune I go with, and that would be competing with like most supercars. We're talking like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, you know, McLarens, you know, with a natural aspirated engine. Like, I'm outdoing most BMW, almost most Mercedes-Benz, and everything else you could think of, because like they have to pretty much modify their cars, and I'm talking like over 10 grand, over 10,000, sometimes 20,000 in mods, just to make the power I'm making from the factory. Think about that. And I'm gonna let you get a little bit of that power in sound, so you get a little taste. So now we're gonna go over into sport mode, and as you hear, it sounds like my raspy ass voice. Sport mode, my active valve exhaust just open up, and you're gonna hear what it sounds like when the beast is awake. And it's not fully open. This is partially open in sport mode. As you see, I'm only revving to like, yeah, that's my face, pure joy. Yeah, that's how it comes stock, you know. So now that's sport mode. I got the pops, bangs, the crackles, the burbles, and everything in. I do have it in touring, but you know, I would have to be in drive to get that, like. But in sport mode, I don't have to be in drive to get the burbles and the bangs. So that's sport mode. Let's see how it sounds when the beast is fully awakened. Track mode. Track mode. Track mode. It's fully awakened. Are you ready? Oh man, yeah. I know a lot of people get the tune to rev it in park or the standstill to like 600-700 RPM, but I'm good. I ain't gonna tune my shit to do stupid shit, cause that's when it's so. Yeah. Let's do that again in track mode. Listen to the symphony. You know, I'm just cruising down the road, minding my own business, and I see some stupid buckler. Only thing him see are two blood clot tail light. That's the only thing mode. Me have to track him. Bam 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 bam. Only thing him see a fire come out of tail light, the tailpipe. He not even get to see tail light. I just see fire him see a come out of tailpipe when me done with BMW. Only thing me not kill a Mercedes Benz, cause me still drive Benz. Yeah, don't know one Camaro V8 badness. You know, like, share, subscribe. Tune in for the fix, cause I know people love to see other people struggle and pain, and this fix, it's gonna cost me a lot of money. You know, if I try to fix it myself, it's gonna even cost me more money. So you know, if I get